Hi everyone, I am Shanna and this is Noemi, and we are both family law lawyers at our Connect Kelowna office. And today we're going to be discussing the question that we get asked often by clients is, does my spousal support that I'm receiving from my spouse or my ex-spouse terminate upon my repartnership? So I will hand it over to Noemi to start.
So, like most answers in law, the answer is a bit nuanced. And the short answer is, it depends. So, for example, one of the first considerations will be, why are you entitled to spousal support? So, if you have entitlement to support because you have a financial need, and let's say you meet the woman of your dreams or the man of your dreams, and they're a millionaire, and they say to you, oh, honey, you can stay home and you don't have to work anymore. Well, in that case, your financial need has probably gone out the window, meaning that you probably will lose your entitlement to support if the basis for support was financial need. Another basis for spousal support is what we call compensatory, and that's basically to compensate you for the role that you played in the relationship, recognizing that you came out disadvantaged somehow. So most often we see, where you leave your employment to raise the children, for example. So in that case, even if you do meet the millionaire of your dreams that is telling you to stay home and to not worry about working, you might not automatically lose your support in that circumstance. So there are also two other examples of when you might not automatically lose your support.
There are some other situations in which you may have already dealt with spousal support and when you repartnered. So that could be in the situation where there is an agreement in place. So there are kind of two types of agreements in family law. There's the separation agreement and there's a cohabitation agreement, which is also commonly known as prenuptial agreement. So you may have, if you've signed an agreement, you may have already dealt with what will happen upon repartnership in that agreement, or you may have an order in place from a judge which has stated specifically what is going to happen. So those are something to consider if you have those in place.
So the takeaway would be that it really depends on your circumstances, and that's why it's so important for you to come in and talk to a family law lawyer that's well versed in these areas.
So yeah, it is quite circumstantial. So if you have any more questions, contact us at Connect Family Law and we'd be happy to help.